Hi guys, so last time you saw me do this little title bit at the top, I'd previously done this and I had a tag that went inside which I'm kind of still working on. Today I'm just going to make a pocket, so I'm going to leave some pages blank because this is one I'm going to be writing in. So I'm going to seal these two up to make a pocket. And this is actually from the full size kit, which is now on my Etsy page, sorry. And I'm going to put that inside. I've backed that with tea stain paper. The weather's changed here, it's damp and wet, so farmers alike and gardeners will be really pleased. Hope the weather's okay where you are. Okay, so I'm just going to seal these together. Oops. Maybe I should have done this bit first. Hey ho. And there we go. It should just about fit in there. Otherwise I'll cut it down a little bit more. So that's all I'm going to do today. It's just a very, very quick one. It's a very simple pocket, and I'll probably have to, let's just cut that down a little. I don't like using my scissors too much at the moment. There we go, that's a bit better. Okay, so I'll wait for that to dry and then I'll see whether or not the journal card will fit inside, and I might do some decorating around here on another video. Thanks for watching, bye.